Hey guys, so you're probably wondering, can we use one Google Pay account in two phones? Well, I'll give you the straightforward answer, okay? Well, you can, because you can add the same card as well to multiple devices, but to keep your secure, there is a limit. So you can use it in two phones, but there's a limit, and I'm going to explain that limit. So the same card can actually be added to 9 or 10 devices, right? So you can go ahead and do that. And you can also use one Google Pay account in multiple phones, even two phones. That is completely fine. Okay, I've done that myself as well. So I can assure you it will work. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, you appreciate the honesty, the straightforwardness, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.